This is AS Stats. We're on Unit 4, Probability, and we're just taking a look then at 4.2 Venn diagram. So a Venn diagram is a useful way to summarize information. Say, for example, a college has 100 students. 14 students study astrophysics, 30 study biology, and 6 study both. Let A be the event that a student studies astrophysics. So I'm going to put my A here, symbolizing this circle here, and B for biology. We can put in that 6 study both, and obviously if 14 study astrophysics and 6 of them are here, then we must have 8 of them here. If 30 study biology and 6 of them are here, then we must have 24 of them here. So that means we have 24 plus 6, which is 30, gives us 38. So that means 62 must then study neither. Let A be the event that study astrophysics, let B be have that. So the probability of A then would be 14 over 100, which is 7 over 50. The probability of B then is going to be 30 over 100, which then is 3/10. The probability that a student studies both astrophysics and biology, so both would be the probability of A, and here's the wee symbol we're going to use. That there symbolizes the and, so A and B, which then would be 6 out of 100, or 3 out of 50. The probability the student studies astrophysics or biology, and then our wee symbol then for or is then the U, so this then means A or B, and that then would be our 8 plus our 6 plus our 24, so that then would be 38 out of 100, or that would cancel down then to 19 over 50. Notice that or includes the possibility of both. So whenever you say astrophysics or biology, both is included in that as well. So just be careful of that wee bit. On then to a few other wee examples then. So here we have shade the region which satisfies the following conditions. So we'll label our A and or B, and this means probability of A and B. So that is A and B. So that's the intersection. There. Number 2 is A or B. That's what we've just discussed here. That was our 38 one. So if I go A and B, then I am shading and everything there. Okay, so on to the next one then. So this is the probability of A and not B. So here is your A and here is your B. This starts to get a wee bit confusing. So if you have an and one, what I sometimes do, if it confuses you as to what's going on here, I know what's going to be, but shade the A, shade the not B, so everything that's not in B, and where you've shaded both, or you've double shaded, then that's your answer for the and one. So here's what I mean by that. I'll just do it on a different wee sheet. So here is our example, that's A and that's B. So I shade the A and then I shade not B. So I'm shading everything here except this circle here. And if we go down the other way, then I end up with that. So which bit have I shaded twice? The section that I've shaded twice is this wee section here. And so that's A and not B. So that's the bit then that I need to shade in this one here. Hope that makes sense. Not A and B. I'm going to do the same thing again. It's obviously just in fact, you know what, well, Yeah, it's going ahead. I wasn't going to bother, but may as well just go through them. So, not A, and B. So you see the bit then that I've shaded twice there, so that would be a wee bit there then of A and B, if that's the case. For the OR ones, you shade this bit, you shade this bit, and then it's a union of the two, so anything that's shaded at all is the answer then to that. So let's do the same then for this. So maybe going a bit slow here, but I think it's worthwhile. So not A, I'm going to be shading and then not B. And anything that's shaded along as all then is my answer. So the only bit that it doesn't include then is that. So you end up with that. That's also is not the same as not A and B. So if you wanted to think about that, so A and B is obviously the wee bit in the middle, so not A and B, then would that be that bit there. All right. And then A, not A and not B in that sense, not with the kind of whole solid line over. So let's again take a wee look at that one. Let's see, and one, so it needs to be shaded twice. So there's A, there's B, and not A. Is going to be that, not B. Is going to be that. Because it's and, it needs to be shaded by both of those. So that's everything outside the two circles. Inside this circle here has only been shaded once. This was only shaded once, but because it's and, then it's going to be outside. So if I do my A here and my B here, and then shade everything on the outside, that is what's required.